Welcome to Daily News Updates by the Shipping Tribune. Here we bring to you the latest maritime daily news in a short-form video format. Please subscribe for regular updates. Freight market scenario by Saigal Seatrade.
The Asia-Pacific Supramax market freight rates were flat to a tick higher on March 25 as sentiment mostly held stable in the Pacific Basin. The Asia-Pacific Panamax market freight rates were mostly higher on March 25 despite limited cargo replenishment on the day.
GAIL Coal India Incorporate, a joint venture for a coal-to-synthetic natural gas project. GAIL India and Coal India on Tuesday, March 25th, announced the incorporation of a joint venture to establish a coal-to-synthetic natural gas project in the eastern coal field. Both state-run Maharatna companies announced in separate exchange filings on March 25th that they have entered a joint venture through Coal Gas India Limited. For the joint venture, a new subsidiary of Coal India, Coal Gas India Limited, has been incorporated. India's Russian oil imports rebound in March as lower prices boost non-sanctioned tanker availability. After the steep decline following the latest US sanctions on Russia's oil trade, India's Russian oil imports have recovered sharply in March thanks to the plentiful availability of Moscow's oil and it largely trading below the Western price cap of $60 per barrel. This has ensured enough availability of non-sanctioned tankers to haul Russian crude to India. The key reason for the ample availability of Russian oil for exports is the slump in Moscow's domestic oil demand following a fresh wave of Ukrainian drone strikes on various Russian refineries. JSW Steel becomes world's most valuable steel maker with $30.3 billion market cap. JSW Steel Limited has emerged as the most valuable steel company globally, surpassing industry leaders such as ArcelorMittal and Nucor Corp. The Indian steelmaker now holds a market capitalization of $30.31 billion, exceeding its closest competitors by $91 million to $3 billion. The flagship company of the JSW Group operates integrated steel plants in Vijayanagar, Dolvi, and Salem, along with overseas operations in the United States and Italy. It currently has a steel-making capacity of 35.7 million tons and aims to increase this to 43.5 million tons by FY28 and 51.5 million tons by FY31. Analysts at Motilal Oswal believe this expansion strategy positions JSW Steel for sustained growth long-term, contributing to higher production volumes. India eyes tariff cut on $23 billion of US imports to shield $66 billion in exports, say sources. India is open to cutting tariffs on more than half of US imports worth $23 billion in the first phase of a trade deal the two nations are negotiating, two government sources with knowledge of the matter said. The biggest cut in years aimed at fending off reciprocal tariffs. The South Asian nation wants to mitigate the impact of US reciprocal worldwide tariffs set to take effect from April 2nd, a threat that has disrupted markets and sent policymakers scrambling even among Western allies. In an internal analysis, New Delhi estimated such reciprocal tariffs would hit 87% of its total exports to the US, worth $66 billion to government sources with knowledge of the matter, told Reuters. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit the like button if you like the video, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the Shipping Tribune YouTube channel if you haven't already.